Hello, it's Lisa here. Just want to come online and give you some more techniques. Yesterday I recorded the painting of this beautiful little robin, and I gave you the tuition to how to create him from start to almost finish. So what I always do is say to you at the end of the painting sessions for you to go away and add your finishing touches to your painting, however you want that to be. With this one, I'm sat here now just having a little play, so I'm bringing, and I've brought out the metallics. So I don't know if you can see, like the shimmer is starting to appear. So it's just a little suggestion for you how to integrate metallics into your paintings to bring them to life. So I'm just literally using it like a little, small paintbrush, like a little pencil, and it will just then bring it, all that little glow, the little dots and dashes that you can use with your paintbrush. And metallics are lovely to play with. So I'm bringing it into the background, which, if you know my work, it used to be very photographic, but now I prefer to just loosen up and enjoy the process. So I'm bringing out all this gold light in the background, but I'm also now going to go into his plumage as well and see if we can just lighten that up with the gold, which means at certain angles when the light hits it in daylight, it's quite a dreary day up here in the far north of Scotland, but when the sunlight hits it, it will start to shimmer and glow. So the robin's not finished yet to my standards, so I'm just going to sit and play with him a bit more and just see what happens in this background too. But yeah, I just thought I'd share with you that tip of how to use the metallics. I mean, sometimes you can just literally, these are actually pouring acrylics. Let me show you. But it doesn't mean you need to pour them. You can literally use them from the tubs and the jars, and use them however you want to. You could pour this all over sections of this painting, or you can, like me, just use little details of it. So hopefully it's given you some inspiration. Keep focused on this little robin, because he is going to develop a little bit further. Hope you're all fine. See you next time.